Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2012 Toyota Sienna. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take peace of mind along on every family drive when you're in this stylish Sienna. Its cutting-edge technology keeps your passengers safe, connected, and entertained, while its spacious, luxurious cabin creates a relaxing environment for all. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power driver seat, rear AC, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, multi-zone AC, stability control. Safe and secure never felt so stylish. Come in and see how much fun it is to drive this luxurious Sienna. Our professional staff will tailor the experience to meet your particular needs.